I've got a Whirlpool dryer that's not heating. I'm gonna set it to timed dry so I can test the heat right away. When I open up this dryer after it's been running for a little bit, it should be nice and toasty in here, but it is cold as can be. Let's fix that. Unplug the power to the dryer, remove the vent so we can take off this back panel, which is held in by 9 or 10 1/4-inch screws. Lift up the panel and pull out. Here we have our heating element and high limit thermostat. We are going to check this with a multimeter by ohming out the leads to the heating element and the thermostat itself. Right now I'm testing the meter to make sure it works. I'm going to remove the plugs from the heating element and the fuse before I do the continuity test on them. I'm going to place a probe on each side of the heating element, and if it was good, it would show some kind of resistance. As you can see, it's an open line. And I ohm out the thermostat at room temperature. I have resistance, which is normal. So there's no resistance on the heating element, so I'm deeming this bad. I'm going to remove this casing held in by 2 1/4-inch screws. Element is open. There's gonna most likely be a break in the heating coil somewhere. Right here you can see at the top it just snapped. That's why we're not getting any resistance or heat across these coils, because the circuit is incomplete. You can get new heating elements for this particular model off of Amazon. Recommend getting the ones that come with extra fuses and thermostats, just in case you have another part that goes bad on this. I'll leave a link in the description below. Doing a quick ohm test across the heating element before I put everything back together. Hook the wires back up to the heating element and high limit thermostat. Reinstall the back cover to the dryer. Hook back up your duct vent. Reapply power to the dryer. Set it to time drying. Hit start. Let it run for a couple minutes. Open up the compartment and it should be nice and toasty in there now. Thanks for watching.